That commie landed up there with my squabs. Look at him. He's a blue boar. Squabs is out right now. I haven't scared him up yet. One of them flew, but he's back in already. But the commie came down. Check him out, see if he can find some food or something. I don't know. I don't think my squabs is that hungry because they stand out. I'm not gonna be able to let the rest of the birds out until they come in. Three of them went back in and they in there eating now. The cocks are sitting over there, they waiting to come out. They haven't ate yet. That commie's right there. I had two squabs that lingered and stayed out for a long time. Two of my cocks, they came up missing and they didn't come back in till late. And I guess that's when those other two squabs came back in. When they got back, they probably watched them go in the trap door and they end up going in the trap door. Those two squaws that stayed out, they didn't eat yesterday. They should be hungry. I'm surprised that they haven't jumped up there in the cage and started eating. But they haven't, so I'm only gonna do this with a couple more times and let them sit around on the roof. And I'm gonna have to start scaring them up. There goes another one. He's getting ready to trap in right now. I hope that commie don't go in my cage. Look at him. He just seen them. That boy, he scared them off the trap door. So let's see what he's gonna do. Let's watch this commie for a minute and see what he's gonna do. How long he gonna linger around this cage? I sure don't want him to trap in because I don't want him. Those two blacks that's right there up there with him, those are siblings. Those are nest mates. And that's the youngest one that just flew down there. So he's looking to see that they eating, so I guess that's probably gonna be a girl. I guess she'll end up going on in the cage too. So that's the rest, and the commie flew back up on the roof there. I can see that they're not that hungry. He might go on in there and start eating. But I can see my squaws, they really not that hungry. The thing it is, like those that's in there now eating, they get real pulled up while they up in there eating, so they get a chance they're not that hungry. I'm surprised those two that didn't get in there early enough to get any food, I'm surprised that they still sitting around and not trying to get up in there and eat, but they are. So, I don't know. I'll change their feeding program once I start getting them flyers, getting them up in the air flying. I'll start changing their eating program. And I won't let nobody eat until everybody's back. That way everybody get the same amount of food up in them. So I won't have them doing this type of stuff right here lingering out when they're supposed to be in. So I got it's 3 in, so it's 5 still out. So let's see how long it take them in, because I can't fly my cocks until these birds is all back in. So anyway, that's what's up right now. And That commie, he's still on the roof there of the kid cage. And that's what we're working with right now. Over here, we got 2 squabs over here. We got 1 up there. We got 2 in this first box. We got a brand new one in that second box. And we got babies in that 3rd box. In that 4th box, they haven't laid yet. So I'm waiting on them to lay. All right, that's the show for today, for now. As y'all can see, the commie, he's still here. He's looking for a way to get inside the cage. He looked at that trap door a few times already. So for some reason, he know about a trap door. He looked down at it, but he didn't never get on it. I still got 3 dumb squabs up here. I'm fixing to make them, scare them up, because they've been sitting out on the roof too long. The rest of my squabs went in already. So now I'm fixing to scare them up because they've been out too long, and 2 of them is the same 2 that always hesitate about going back in the cage. Okay, so that's what's up, y'all. Okay, they up. They flying. They up. They up. Everybody's up. There goes the motherfucking falcon. There goes the falcon. He kept going. He didn't get nobody. And now everybody is everywhere. The falcon tried to get him. He didn't catch nobody though. So they all up high now. Falcon tried to get him. He went at him, but he kept going. Everybody scattered. So, all right, I gotta look for my birds now. I know they all not gonna come in at the same time now. Now they probably flying everywhere. I see one way out there going in the same direction the falcon went. Still got them 2 squabs sitting right there on the wire though. There's 1 squab missing. I don't know where he's at. I'll get back with y'all. Falcon attack. Okay, there they are. They back. Falcon didn't get nobody. 2 squabs sitting way over there on the wire. But there everybody is. Falcon didn't get nobody. They coming back down. They flying high. But everybody's just flying. Ain't nobody doing no rolling now. Guess after the falcon scare, They gotta get unscared. 2 squads sitting over there on the pole. Did the same thing yesterday. There's all my cocks flying. They back low again. Falcon scared them up high. And he just took off. Nobody's doing no rolling or nothing right now. They probably dizzy from that falcon scare. But they flying. They probably scared to roll now because of that falcon. They just making circles, I guess, to make sure everything is clear for them, before they can start having fun in the air. There go one just flipped. One thing they are doing good, they kidding up real good. All right, they ducking again. That's the falcon, look. That's the falcon. That's the falcon. Now they going back up. They way up. They're going up now. So the falcon is still linking around. They up high. That's why they won't do no rolling as long as that falcon's out. So he's hanging out around here somewhere. I gotta keep my eye out for him. So I'll get back with y'all. I'm watching for my birds. It's gonna be a long day, y'all. It was a falcon scare. And my birds was kidding up for a minute, but I just seen a whole flock of birds go by, but they all looked like they was white. So I don't know, but I don't see my kid nowhere right now. So that means they got scared off. I don't know how long it's gonna take them before they get back. But I'll keep you updated, okay? So this is what happens when the falcon attack. You get nothing but clear skies. Can't see a pigeon nowhere. Just clear skies. There's no telling where my pigeons is at right now. I still had the 2 squads sitting up there on the pole. There's 1 squad missing. I don't know if he's up there, took off with the rest of the birds, but these squads right here, they froze on the wire right there. And as you can see, there's no pigeons nowhere to be found. I even have binoculars. To check my birds, to find my birds and stuff. But there's no birds nowhere to be found right now because of the falcon. All right, I'll get back with an update. Okay. We got two back. I think that's a squad right there. Then again, he might not be back, but there's 3 back that landed, and I can see some more up in the air flying. So let me see if I can get my binoculars and see where they at. They ready to come back down now. I see 4 of them up high. 3 landed here on the wire. There's 3 that landed here on the wire. There's the other ones, 4 of them. That's still not all my birds. But that's 4 of them right there. 4 of them trying to come down. Now, that's the thing about when the falcon comes, you may not get all your birds back because even if he don't catch none, that's 5. I see one more way up high. 5, 6, 7, that would be 8 birds right there. But as I was saying, you may not get all your birds back when the falcon's scared because they fly off so far and so high. And I guess they still have fear up in them. So I'll give you an update when they start landing. It's really messed up when the falcon comes too because your kid actually break up and they don't all come back in together at the same time. So we got those 5. There's 5 still up there flying high. 5, 6, 7. I might have seen 2 more. That's 4 right there. That's 5 right there. 6, one way up high up there. 7, 8. They coming back slowly. Some of them is flying by themselves. Look at that one right there. He's flying by himself. That's one right there. There's one way up there. Y'all can't see that. I can see it. I have binoculars. I can see them. 2 squads, they haven't moved. We still got 2, 3, 4 birds right here. See that one? I don't know if y'all can see that high up, but I got birds up there trying to come back, so see what happens. Okay, y'all, they coming back in now. See, there they are. We already got some down here on the roof and stuff. That's some of the rest of them. I'll get my count when they all get in, but so far they looking pretty good. As y'all can see, it's a lot of white. That's who I seen. There wasn't no black ones flying with him the last time when I seen them, but it looked like just a whole white crew of birds. But there they go. So they'll be coming down. They're coming down now. But look up there. Whole crew of white birds. Of course, they all got different colors and stuff up in them. That's about 7 birds. So they're gonna come down now. They're gonna go in. They're starting to hit the pole and stuff. Everybody made it back safe. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go in. 2 of them at the same time got up in there. They got up in there fast too. This one, they hit the trap door I don't know how many times. I don't know what his problem is. Go in. Go in. Go in. I think that's a squad right there. He don't even belong over there. But he's gonna go in that side right there, I guess. Yeah, I think he's gonna go in that side. The wrong side, but he got in there. That's one of my squads that stayed out late, and he's hungry. But for him staying out late, that's the other one that stayed out late, and they going in the wrong door. So get off the ground, fool. So I'll catch them. I'll just let them all go in. They can go in at this side this time. I'll wait for everybody to get back in before I feed them. All right, that's what's up, y'all.